I wish I knew.
Welcome back to My Husband is My Best Friend.
Tyrese and Zelie rent out a luxurious villa and things go left.
It's over there. Babe, can you see if there's another one? The two? If there's not, you can have that.
How do you open it?
Still live.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
About to go. Roll your boat. You ready, babe?
I'm ready.
No, go that way.
Okay.
I'll meet you over there.
Okay.
Okay. I don't need mine. What city, state, or country are y'all in? Tell me about it. Go back. Go back for a second. Yeah, man. What city, state, or country are y'all in? Talk to me. Oh, we got some people floating by.
Oh, okay.
Some rock.
Gotcha. Yeah, we can. I wish I could do the one.
Zulu warrior. Zulu warrior. I want you to know.
My babies.
I captured her.
Babe. What?
Behind yourself.
You mean I captured you?
You captured me.
Yeah.
You don't want to let me go.
Yeah.
Never.
Never. Never, ever. Never, ever, ever.
Okay.
Ever.
They heard you. They heard you. They heard you.
Never,
You want
ever.
to say it again?
Never, ever, 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 ever.
That's what you get. Karma. Karma.
That thing hurt. They are
Karma. Karma.
floating. Babe, you know what we should do? We should look up, like, okay, so babe, I think we're supposed to go
Let me
like
show
this
you.
the entire time.
Let me show you.
Yeah, so it's
Come-
just
come
not
behind
one.
me, come behind me.
Okay. Okay.
I'm in front of me.
In front of you. Okay. So what they're doing, okay. Babe, this is a lesson. Okay. Okay. Shit. Okay.
Gotta look straight. Gotta look
Oh,
straight.
okay, okay.
Gotta look straight.
I'm looking. Okay. Wait, it's not that high.
It is. You gotta get it on top.
shit.
Stroke has to be there.
Okay.
That's very
Okay. Let's see.
We got clothes on.
We do?
I like
Okay, we do. Okay. We got clothes.
I like that too. They had a little thrust on that.
Yeah, I did. I liked it too. Okay, let's
What's
see.
taking this dude so long?
Because they're just floating, babe.
Hold up.
Mm-hmm. They're just enjoying themselves. Is there a filter on this? Oh, I look horrible. Why is there a filter? There's this horrible filter on there that makes my lips look like... Oh, no. It looks good on you. Not on me. It's like...
Think you're ready for your own boat?
No, I'm not. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. No. No, I'm not.
I think you got it.
Babes, you're trying to keep today? No, babe, I'm not dying because of you. I'm not getting distracted in this water. This is the ocean. This is the ocean.
Guys, do y'all think that she can handle this?
No, I can't. And even if they said I can, I am not. Crazy person.
I think she can handle
The
it.
water looks really calm today.
Very calm.
Yeah.
That's how I know you can handle it.
No, babe, I can't. I like the double. I like the double. Yeah.
Whole photo shoot out here. Doing the whole photo shoot out here.
I understand. That's why I'm bringing my phone. I'm doing the same thing there. Except I want to be in a bikini the next time we do this. I could do it,
The only thing we can do is we can get on and go to the right.
Okay.
Because they taking their sweet damn time. I do not want them to be out here when we go.
You want some water, baby?
Come back here.
Okay. We're going to stay on this slide. I'm about to. They are living their best life. David's not happy about it. We aren't the only ones on the island, my babies. We gotta share the water. Share the water. Are you ready now or 5 minutes? I overprotected, babe. Five minutes, 4 minutes.
Thanks for tuning in to My Husband is My Best Friend.